Reverend Father Hilarius Lamare is the son of Mrs. Aloisa Lamare and Mr. Landakar from Laskan village of Gentia Hills district. He was born on the 1st of October 1952. He studied in St. Paul's Seminary, Upper Shillong from 1967 to 1974 and did his philosophy at Christ King College, Shillong, 1974 to 77. He completed his regency at Dok Moka Karbi Anglong in the year 1977 and at Marbisu in 1978. He studied theology at Orient's Theological College, Shillong during 1979 to 82. He was ordained a priest on the 16th of January 1983 and served as a priest in Soalat, Maukarwat, Maukar, St. Paul's Seminary, Namdong, and at Cathedral Parish, Layumpra, Shillong. He was a Vicar General of Shillong Archdiocese since 2001 till 2011. In 2011, he was appointed as the Diocesan Administrator of Jowai Diocese, who had served in this capacity till 2015. In 2015, he was appointed Parish Priest of the Cathedral Parish Jowai and served as its Parish Priest till July 2025. On the 18th of July 2025 at 8:50 p.m., he fell ill and was taken to the Woodland Hospital at Sabah, Fort Myer, and on the 5th of October 2025 at 7:50 a.m., he breathed his last at Nazareth Hospital, Shillong. His funeral will be on the 7th of October 2025 at the Catholic Cemetery, Jowai.